The following are the uses of school MOOE, or the maintenance and other operating expenses, based on DepEd Order Number 13, Series of 2016. Number 1. To fund activities as identified in the approved School Improvement Plan or SIP for implementation in the current year and specifically determined in the Annual Implementation Plan or AIP of the school. Number 2. To support expenses for school-based training and activities that are selected or designed to address the most critical needs that will improve learning outcomes in the school, as well as the official school meetings, such as but not limited to LAC or the Learning Action Cells and Continuous Improvement Sessions or CI. Number 3. To support expenses on special curricular programs, advocacy, assessment, capacity buildings, learning environment, learner development and research, and co-curricular activities of special curricular programs. Travel expenses. See Annex 1. All recipient schools of subsidies under DepEd Orders 20 and 38, Series of 2015, shall continue to implement their respective curricular programs, while other schools may access the school MOE funds to support their intention to realize such programs. Next is to finance expenses pertaining to graduation rites, moving up or closing ceremonies, and recognition activities. Next, to procure school supplies and other consumables for teachers and students deemed necessary in the conduct of classes. Next, to fund minor repairs of facilities, building and grounds maintenance, and the upkeep of the school. Next, to fund rental and minor repairs of tools and equipment deemed necessary for the conduct of teaching and learning activities. To pay for wages of full-time janitorial, transportation, mobility, and security services. To pay for utilities, electricity and water and communication, telephone and internet connectivity expenses. To pay for reproduction of teacher-made activity sheets or exercise that were downloaded from the Learning Resource Management and Development System or LRMDS, which support differences in learning among students. The school MOE may be used to procure small capital expenditure items worth 15,000 and below, as provided in the new government accounting manual issued by the Commission on Audit. This shall be subject to separate guidelines to be issued by DepEd. In no case shall the MOE be used for the procurement of school furniture, such as seats and teachers' tables and chairs, and textbooks and other instruction materials, even if these expenditures are contained in the SIP. In this regard, instructional material includes publications, periodicals, and review materials.